Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare the waistband of this trouser. Okay, all we just need to do is I've joined the front and the back piece of the trouser together. This is the front, this is the back, and so I'm going to measure the width, the waist region, and here it gives me 22 and a half. Okay, 22 and a half. This is the right side. This is the right side of my um, trouser. This is the right side. That's front right and front back. Okay, it gives me 22 and a half, and so I'll cut a waistband. Okay, I'll cut a waistband of 25. A waistband of 25. Okay, this is 25. And the width for 1/4. There's a reason why for 1/4, and so I follow that for 1/4 down for 1/4. Okay, just follow it down for 1/4. For 1/4. All right, and so this is for the right side, while for the left side of the trouser, this is the left side of the trouser. Look at it. This is the left side. I'll also measure. I would never support him disrespecting. Now listen to me, young lady, and listen very carefully. Your Oscar award-winning performances do not deceive me. And you know why? This is 23. Okay, let me stretch it for you to see. This is 23. Okay, so since it is 23, all I just need to do is I'll cut 24 inch. I'll cut 24 inch here. All right, so 24 inch. All right, here, as you can see, this is the waistband for the left hand side of the front and back of my trouser. Okay, as you can see, for 1/4. Right, and so what you need to do is this: you prepare a waistband, you cut your gum stay. This is a gum stay. Right, a gum stay. I want the width. This is the width. The width is 1.5. Okay, 1.5. The width is 1.5. So you fold 1.5. 1.5. This is 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Make sure it is 1.5 all through. 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, this also is 1.5. As you can see, 1.5 all through. Make sure you cut 1.5 all through. Like I said, 1.5 all through. 1.5. Okay, so you take your scissors. I folded it into two. Okay, I'm going to cut this line because only one of the waistband will not be enough, and so I'll cut two. right, so I've done that. All I need to do is to take this into two. Okay, I've paved the line already, so I'll follow the line while cutting it. Okay, no drift. For maintaining 1.5, make sure it's 1.5. All right, we've done that. So this is the right side of your fabric. This is the right side of the fabric, and this is the wrong side. So we're going to iron the wrong side of your fabric. Then you place this with a distance of ½ inch. That's from here to here should be ½ inch. That's what you follow down, okay, with ½ inch allowance.
Okay.
All right, here you iron it with your gum stay. Please, you press hard. Make sure you press hard. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, what you do is you fold this way. You fold this way. Okay. And make sure that you can feel the edge of these. You can feel the edge of the gum stay. Okay, while folding. Make sure you feel the edge of the gum stay. Feel the edge so that you have a neat work at the end. A guaranteed neat work at the end. All right. So, have you done this? Now you can see. You can see what we need to do is to fold in. We'll fold this in. Okay. While folding this in, we'll fold it with just a little bit more than 2 1/4. Okay, 2 1/4. I don't want this edge to show after sewing my waistband. Okay, depending on the allowance, if you cut like 4.5, then you can fold with 3/4 or ½ of an inch in. Because after sewing it, only your waistband is 1.5 inch after sewing your waistband attached to your trouser. So 1.5 inch. Okay, so as you can see, look at it. When I iron now,
Love you to the moon and back, you know.
I want a finished work, a neat finished work. You get water at least almost 2.5. If you use, okay, so all right, so we are through with this side of the waistband. This is the other side of it. This is the right side. Place it at the wrong side. As usual, 1/2 inch allowance is what we give. 1/2 inch allowance is what we give.
Yeah, Paula. You meet your dad. Yeah? Don't cry, yeah? Don't like crying. Don't meet your dad. Daddy. Yeah, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Daddy.
You fold.
Puma. Puma. Puma.
Okay. Where's it one? They clean before that. Work not busy now, so no, I fetch. That is, I fetch many this morning. I work almost 3 times this morning, Sha. So now I make a. Alright, so as you can see, you have a knit. Alright, this is how to prepare your waistband. Alright.